Today we are going to see the third subdivision of CDMA 2000 will be the radio network. So these are the topics which we'll be seeing in the radio networks. First one will be channel, second will be power control, third will be Walsh code, fourth will be SR. SR stands for spreading rate, fifth will be RC. RC stands for radio configuration, and today we are going to see the first subdivision will be channels. So these are the several enhancement process for the radio networks of CDMA 2000. So first will be the battery power control, and this will be elaboratedly seen in the second topic. And second will be the diversity transmitting, that we are using two or more independent source, and this independent source will modulated with identical informations, that is same information, but the transmission characteristics will be vary. And third one will be modulation scheme changes, that is there is a process of converting the data into electrical signal. Already you know that several types of modulations like analog modulation, digital modulations, etc. And fourth one will be new vocoder. New vocoder is an instrument that will analyze and synthesize the human voice signal, and this voice signal is mainly used for voice compression or data encryptions, etc. And fifth one will be uplink and pilot channel. Pilot channel is nothing but a secondary dedicated physical control channel, is mainly used for control process. And uplink is nothing but it's a transmission starts from ground to satellite. It will be referred as a up arrow. And last one will be channel bandwidth changes as well as the packet data capability. So this CDMA 2000 they will introduce several new channels especially for the radio access scheme. So this new channel types will be implemented in a leveling of 1x or double T. So already we have seen that 1x or double T in the previous video. It stands for single carrier radio transmission technology. And next we are going to see, so this 1x or double T they will support high speed data as well as enhanced paging function. So the paging function is nothing but it is a one-to-one communication between the mobile as well as the base station, as well as it is a procedure which is followed by the network to find out the subscriber location before the call establishment. So most important definition of paging, it is a procedure to find out the corresponding subscriber location before the call is establishment between the two users. So these are the important channels of CDMA 2000. So in our syllabus I just are going to see some important physical channels of CDMA 2000. So before entering into the channel types, we are going to classify the channels into two level like forward link and reverse link. Forward link is nothing but it is a link starts from fixed location to the mobile. That is, the fixed location is nothing but the base station. So in this forward link, there is mainly for the fast power control. Here the quadrature phase shift key modulation will be used rather than the dual binary phase shift key technique. The reverse link, it's a link starts from mobile user towards the fixed location. That is nothing but the it will be reverse operation of the forward link. Here the pilot signal is used to enable the coherent demodulation for the reverse link. So the meaning of coherent demodulation is nothing but here the phase lock loop technique will be used. So in this phase lock loop they have a modulated receiver. For this modulated receiver, the intermediate frequency will be used as the input, not a direct frequency. Intermediate frequency will be used as a input for the modulated receiver. So in this reverse link they are using the modulation technique nothing but hybrid phase shift key spreading technique. So next we are going to see the forward channel. Here the base station they will transmit multiple common channels and dedicated channels towards the subscriber within the coverage area. So next we are going to see the following forward channels. First one will be forward supplemental channel which will be explained as FSCH. So this FSCH they can assign to the single mobile unit for high speed data rate. So this speed data range for this forward supplemental channel will be up to 9.6 to 153.6 kbps. So this each forward supplemental channel can be assigned with different data rates. So this data rates will be should range from 9.6 to 153.6 kbps. So main important point, this forward supplemental channel will be assigned to single mobile unit. So second is nothing but forward quick paging channel. So this channel they will reduce the amount of time the mobile unit spend for paging. So already you guys know that the paging nothing but it's a one-to-one communication between the mobile and the base station. So this channel is mainly used to reduce the amount of time occupied for the communication between the mobile unit as well as the base station. So this channel they will enable the mobile unit battery life extension by reducing the amount of time the battery life of the particular mobile will be extended. And third one will be forward dedicated control channel. So this channel they will replace two types of level nothing but dim and burst and blank and burst. So mainly this forward dedicated control channel is used for messaging process as well as data calling operation. And fourth one will be forward transmit diversity pilot channel. This channel is used to increase the radio frequency capacity. So this heading will be New Year, so we have to by heart. Suppose you asking to my explain any two channel, you can write this forward supplemental channel or forward quick paging channel or forward dedicated control channel or forward transmit diversity pilot channel. And fifth one will be forward common control channel. That is, this channel is used to sending paging and data messages or signaling messages. So I already explained the definition given for paging. It's one-to-one communication between the mobile as well as the base station. One more important definition, it's a procedure which will be used by the network to identify the subscriber location before the call will be established. And sixth one will be forward broadcast channel, and this channel will mainly used for transmitting the control information to the mobile station which have not been allocated the traffic channel. So this forward broadcast channel had the traffic problem will be limited. So this corresponding channel is used to broadcast huge amount of information from base station towards the mobile or from mobile to the base stations. So up to this we are finishing the forward channel. Next we are going for reverse channel. So in this reverse channel, a subscriber or mobile unit allocated to transmit more than one code channel at high data rate. So this is a voice versa operation of forward channel. So in this first we are going for reverse pilot channel. So this channel they will enable the base station to perform the synchronous detection. So normally the reverse channel will be based upon the base stations. So what is the meaning of synchronous detection? Is nothing but they will recover the information from modulated signal by mixing this modulation signal with unmodulated carrier. So first they will identify the modulation information, and this modulation information will be mixed with unmodulated carrier signal. And second one, so this reverse pilot channel will provide pilot signal as well as power control information. What's the meaning of pilot? The meaning of pilot is nothing but the secondary dedicated physical channel mainly used for controlling process. So next we are going for second, they will enable the mobile unit to transmit the low power level by enabling the base station to reduce the power. So in the previous level, nothing but forward quick paging channel, we have seen that this channel will reduce the amount of time the mobile unit spends for the pages. But when you are going for this reverse correspondingly this reverse pilot channel, they will enable the base station to reduce the power, and second will be nothing but the reverse fundamental channel. This channel is mainly used for voice process, and third one will be reverse supplemental channel, and this channel is mainly used to send the data informations or signal information. Suppose when the data rate will be greater than 9.6 kbps now, this type of supplemental channel will be required, and this R, that is RFFCH, is nothing but reverse fundamental channel, is also assigned for the power control. Actually this point will be can also written in the second point. This channel, after written this channel is used for voice, you can also write this channel is also assigned the power control. So normally up to 9.5 kbps this reverse supplemental channel will not be essential. When the data rate will be greater than 9.6 kbps means we can use the reverse supplemental channel. And next fourth one will be reverse dedicated channel. Similar to this channel, replace the dim and burst and black and burst, as well as it is used for messaging and control the data call operation. It also similar to the fifth one of forward dedicated control channel, that is FDCCH. So next we are going for the fifth one will be reverse enhanced access channel. That is, this channel is used to minimize the collision occurring between the base station as well as the mobile unit, and they will reduce the channel power. So by reducing the channel power, automatically the collisions can be minimized. And sixth one will be reverse common control channel, and this channel is used by the mobile unit to send the data information after they have granted access by the base station. So without the permission of base station, the mobile unit, they cannot send any data to the neighboring network, neighboring mobile. And seventh one will be reverse access channel. So the mobile station, they will use this channel for initiating the communication with the mobile subscriber unit. It also performing the responses to the paging messages. So up to this we finishing the channel of the radio network. Tomorrow we have see the second subdivision, nothing but the power control. Thank you.